you've already been struggling with meditation, you find that your mind can't turn off. As you're sitting there, your to-do list is going through your head and you're thinking, I don't have time for this, and what is the point? Negative emotions maybe are coming up and negative thoughts are spinning out that had been suppressed as you were like busy going about your life, so you're actually feeling worse by getting still than better. And you just feel, this isn't working for me, it won't ever work for me. And you're in the right place, because I promise it will. It will, and I have a framework to help you out, to show you how to glide into a meditation practice that begins to slow the turnings of your brain, bringing in more serenity and ease, lengthening the breath, using a number of techniques I've learned along the way so that you glide into a place of serenity and eventually fill up with love every single time you sit down to meditate. I learned this the hard way. I started at 15. I was feeling super depressed even though I was doing well in school, I had friends, my family life was amazing, I was so blessed, and yet my brain just felt off. I felt so shameful about it and guilty, and didn't know why I was feeling so sad and apathetic and listless. And when I confided in my grandma and my great grandma, who was visiting from Milwaukee, at my grandma's table, she's like, oh no, don't worry, that's just depression. Like, oh no, don't worry. I was like, I have no reason to be depressed, like I'm 15. She's like, no, it runs in our family. Your brain chemicals are just off. And my great grandma was like, you need to start meditating. She went into this big rant. She'd been to Tibet, which was one of her favorite places in the whole planet to be, to China, to India, to Japan, all through the East, traveling around the world. She was just like this rebel adventurer woman back in the day when it wasn't easy to travel, and certainly not alone as a woman. And she had a daily yoga and meditation practice, and she just went off. Like, she wanted this for me so bad because she knew it would be like the answer to everything. So fast forward, guess what? I did not start meditating at 15. I did the yoga poses. So I'm like, oh, that helped enough. That's okay. Now I feel better. And it was always in the back of my mind. And it wasn't until I reached a really, really low point where I fell into a really deep clinical depression after the birth of my second baby that I just couldn't seem to get out of, and I'd gone in for help. So anyway, long story short, I was like, okay, I have nothing to lose. I have to try this meditation thing. I'm desperate. I read books, I took courses, and I started. And it was so many hours of frustration, trial and error, monkey mind, thinking, what is the point? And I have so much to do. Why am I just sitting here? And just something within me wouldn't give up. Even though my mind kept saying, what is the point of sitting here? What is the point of sitting here? This is so stupid. You feel even worse by sitting here. So all the negative emotions and thoughts were coming up that I'd been able to suppress through busy action and noise and everything else. So I did my 500 hours of yoga teacher training, and along that way, I also took courses from Deepak Chopra meditation, course from Lee Holden in Qigong, Tai Chi courses, Reiki master. I'm now like so many things, read so many books, just trying this, trying that, and all these different things didn't work for me. And then I found like this framework, and it worked. And I can't explain that moment when I felt it clicking into place. And I sat down and I was like writing out as fast as I could exactly the steps I did over the past few weeks that had led to me entering this state so quickly of just feeling blissful and serene and just filled up with love, feeling this love like radiating in me and from me and out to everything. And I got up feeling like I had taken some of that with me into my day, and it was just such an amazing experience. It was worth all the journey, but I don't want you to have to go through all of that. So I have this framework. Trust the process. I can't encourage you enough to press the button, buy it now. There's a money guarantee. I do not want you to pay for this and have it not work for you. I want it only to work for you. And if it doesn't, no question, I give your money back. Energetically, that would feel so wrong to me and awful if it didn't help you. So I'm so excited to start this journey with you. It's gonna take work. You have to actually do the daily meditations. It's really important every single day, but that's why you have me to hold you accountable, and I'll see you on live meditation classes, and you can reach out to me any point for some encouragement and help. And I'm just so excited to meet you and for you to have this, something that you can take with you for the rest of your life. No one can take it away from you. I am wishing you so much radiant joy, serenity, and so much love. Namaste.